Hi, it's my third day in Manila, and I would like to share my third day experience riding a motorbike in Manila. So this morning I went out to eat something and see other places. And what I discovered is that on the map it says it's gonna take me 5 to 10 minutes or 20 minutes, but it can take up to 2 hours, 5 kilometers. Even the 5 kilometers can take you 1 hour to 2 hours. It's just like so much traffic. I make some of the videos using my GoPro, so it can give you idea that how does the traffic look like. Second thing, again, maps. Do not rely on the map if you're coming from USA or Europe and you are thinking that the maps it's only 30 kilometer. It's not a 30 kilometer. It can take you 2 hours. It's not about how many kilometer it is how you're gonna get there. And there is so much traffic. The maps, you'll have a really hard time with the map. Today I went to this mall called Ayala Marketplace. I was able to find this mobile holder on the motorbike. The price was pretty cheap. It was about 350 pesos. That's about maybe I think $4. This mobile holder on the mobile. So I have put this thing now. It makes so much easy for me. I can use that while I'm traveling. I've been staying in Zen Hotel in Makati City. The hotel price was really good. It was about 700 peso per night. It had an air con and a TV. The TV I didn't use much because I was not much in the room, either sleeping or either out. There has been a lot of noise in this hotel. You could hear it while I'm talking to you, drilling, and they are doing some construction. So these are the things are pretty normal here. In the daytime people start doing that. Other than that, my experience in Makati City, I went out during the week. There are all the bars, so this is how it looks like. There are all the big towers here. Yeah, so this is the main avenue. There was still a lot of people, but it's more like a tourist. I went to mall called Makati Ayala Market. It was in Bonifacio Global City, and I could find everything there. With the food prices are cheap here compared to any other countries. That's pretty good. I used only one time Grab. It rains. It's a rainy month. It rains in the night or in a day 1 hour or